students, it's Mr. Caesar back with some activities for you to do. All right, first thing, speaking, talking to an adult or a sibling. What do you see in this picture? This picture is a little bit different from what we've done. Okay, what colors? There's a lot of colors. Do you think there would be any sounds? Okay, do you see any shapes? I do. And what feeling do you get from this picture? There's no person in it, but what feeling do you get? Number two, why are those scarves, why are they put on the bridge? Like, why are they there, do you think? Would you cross the bridge? And what do you think is on the other side of the bridge? Okay. All right, so we have another new story. Okay, so I picked out all of the sight words again, and I want you to go through those sight words with me, and then you can go back and rewind the video and then practice them yourselves, okay? And then you can turn the sound down to see if you can remember what these words are. There's a couple words that are new and a little bit harder, so you might want to practice those, okay? First is brown, with, above, the, blue, see, she, down, at, then, down, with, her, back, up. Okay. All right. So those are those sight words. Again, I want you to go back and redo those. Okay. All right. So our main character in the story today is an eagle. Okay. And one of the words that is in the story is soar. So an eagle will, they obviously they're a bird and they fly. Okay. And they will soar. Do you see how? Here, let me take it a pointer. You see how like his wings are stretched out? Okay, so he will stretch out his wings and soar through the sky. He's not flapping his wings. He's just kind of gliding in the air, and he's looking down for a mouse or another maybe small bird or, maybe a little snake or something. He's looking for food. Okay, so he soars through the air. All right, and then here's another one is peers down. Okay, now the word peer, P-E-E-R, has a definition of a peer is someone in your class, someone that is your age, is your peer. Okay, but in this story, our little eagle, he's looking down. When he peers down, you see how he's looking down? I try to get a good picture of this, but he's looking down. That's what peers down means. Okay, so he's always looking down. Okay, and then last but not least, the last one is sharp claws spread. You see how his claws are open and his like fingers, it's like even if you had your fingers like all spread out, he has seen something, a mouse or whatever that he wants, and he is opening those claws so that he can get the mouse. Okay, so he's going to grab that mouse with those claws that are spread out. Okay, so I wanted you to understand that. All right. Okay, so this is called seafood. Now, I know we have seafood, which is like fish and lobster and all that. But in this one, the bird sees his food with eyes, because eagles and hawks, they have such good eyesight. They can just see so well. There's an expression, I see like a hawk. So they're really good at seeing things. Okay. So a brown eagle with strong wings soars above the blue sea. She peers down at the water. Then she dives down with her sharp claws spread. Splish, splash, she flies back up with a fat fish. Okay? All right. So you want your paper and to draw what happened in the story. What did the bird do? Okay. And I gave you, if it's helpful when you're drawing, you can go back and look at like this is what soar. in the beginning of the story. That's what it should look like when you draw it. Okay, peers down. You should have your bird's eyes looking down. Okay, and then when it has the claws spread, you can draw those claws like really, spread out and really big, long claws. Okay. All right. So today's writing prompt is think of a place that you would like to go. Would you like it to be warm and sunny or cold and snowy? Okay, so I gave you a sentence starter. I would like to go to blank because. Okay, I would like to. Okay, so what would you like to do when you get there? Okay, so if you want to go to the beach, what are you going to do at the beach? Okay, and giving me those details. Okay, so that's the writing prompt for today. Okay, listening activity. So this was the little boy from last time with his umbrella. So today, the drawing is a boy with a bat in his hand. He's playing baseball. Okay. All right. Draw grass along the bottom of the square. Draw a base on the right side of the batter. Okay. A base is a square. So I want you to draw a square on the right side of the batter. Okay. So he's the batter. So your square should be right here. Okay. Draw a catcher behind the base. Draw grass along the bottom line. Draw a sun in the top left corner. Draw a cloud in front of the sun. Draw 4 players under the cloud. Draw a bat in the lower left corner. I'm not talking about the animal bat. I'm talking about a baseball bat. Draw a pitcher at the bottom of the square in the middle. Now, the pitcher is the person that's holding the ball, and they're going to throw it at the batter, and the batter's going to try and hit it. Okay? So color the picture, and then you're going to write a sentence about the picture. Okay? Granny's Candies time. Okay, so last time we had a pen. What is it used for? A pen is used for writing and drawing. Okay, our new one is a telephone. This one should be super easy. Okay, you've probably seen people use them all the time. Okay, all right, I'll have that answer and a new one next time. All right, I will see you next time.